Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a snack I just bought. I just went shopping and me and my husband went overboard this week on the grocery shopping. So I wanted to try something new, which I'm always down to try new snacks and stuff like that. So we just picked up John W.M. Macy's Family Bakery since 1976 melting Parmesan breadsticks. They had other kinds too. They had like different types of cheese. They had like original cheddar, but I don't know, something made me want to try melting Parmesan today. It sounded really good. So they're crunchy cheese and sourdough twists made in America. They're really crunchy and delicious, and they're super tasty. They're made with simple real ingredients, exceptional craftsmanship. So 4-ounce box, 113 grams. So craftsmanship and quality. Tried since developing the original cheese sticks recipe in 1976, I have always believed John W.M. Macy snacks should reflect my passion for good food and fellowship. My family and our dedicated staff of skilled artisans are proud to operate our bakery with your enjoyment as our first priority. Process: John W.M. Macy's handcrafted cheese sticks begin with layers of 100% real aged cheese, melted butter, spices, and lively sourdough. We roll the dough into thin sheets, cut it into strips, then hand twist and bake them twice for exceptional flavor and our distinctive crunch in every bite. Promise: we value simple real ingredients and use no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. When you buy from John W.M. Macy's Family Bakery, we promise you will taste the difference. We are so sure you will love our products. We offer 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try our other cheese sticks, sweet sticks, and cheese crisps. I didn't even know they had sweet sticks. That sounds really good, actually. Those would probably be delicious as well. Looks like they got chocolate on them. Ooh, Dutch chocolate. Can't wait to try that next time. There's the original cheddar ones I was talking about, and Asiago and cheddar, which I want to try. I'm not a huge Asiago cheese fan, but I'm sure that they're pretty good, so I'd definitely be down to try those too. And visit us at johnwmmacys.com for more information. I'm trying to figure out what this is, because it looks like, well, maybe it's like a recipe they have or something with it. That's interesting. Maybe you could use these as like breadcrumbs for some kind of chicken. I want to say that's like a salmon looking thing with vegetables. Interesting. Definitely use it, right? I mean, until I saw that picture, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, you could definitely use this for maybe making breadcrumbs, stuffed chicken or something. That would probably be really yummy. Serve melting Parmesan cheese sticks, crunchy cheese and sourdough twists. Nutrition facts: about 6 servings per container. Serving size is 2 sticks. Amount per serving: calories 90. Total fat 4.5 grams. Saturated fat 3 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 10 milligrams, sodium 135 milligrams, total carbs 11 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugar 0 grams, includes 0 grams added sugars, protein 3 grams, vitamin D 0, calcium 48 milligrams, iron 0, potassium 0. So even the carbs aren't bad. I actually thought I just ate like 5 of them because I'm like, oh my god, I'm like, when I get something, whether it's a new beauty product or food, I'm like so excited to try it right away. It's like I get it and the first thing I have to do is open it. So these didn't even make it home before I opened the bag. I was like snacking on them in the car and I'm like, they're so good. All right, so the carbs aren't even bad. That's the one thing I was a little worried about. Ingredients: unbleached flour, wheat flour, malted barley flour, Parmesan cheese, milk, salt, cheese cultures, enzymes, unsalted butter, milk, yeast, sugar, salt, rosemary extract to preserve freshness, and contains wheat and milk. Manufactured by John W.M. Macy's Cheese Sticks, 80 Kip Avenue, Elmwood Park, New Jersey. Made with no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Barcode on the back. Best of use by February 2019. Plenty of time before then to enjoy these. And then they come in this silver pack right here. And then this is what they look like, just like on the box. Super yummy, crunchy, delish. I kind of ripped it the wrong way. Probably like rip it from the top. This way you're able to close it and seal it better than me. But I figure this won't last too many days with me. I'll be like I'm probably done with this box by, no joke, like tomorrow night from the way that I snack. So these are good to like carry on you, and just to, you know, you can put these in a Ziploc baggie, and I'm like all about bringing snacks in my bag, so definitely good for that. So I'm definitely excited to try the other flavors too. They all sound so yummy. Dutch chocolate, definitely trying the cheddar. Maybe I'll even try the Asiago and cheddar. I'll give it a try, even though I don't like Asiago cheese. So guys, that is John W.M. Macy's Family Bakery melting Parmesan cheese sticks. They are delicious and crunchy, and I hope you try them and love them. Thanks for watching.